Hello everyone. Welcome to the How to Create a Website channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily and quickly create a pop-up window in Elementor Pro without using any additional plugins. To start, we'll create a home page where we'll add a button that, when clicked, will trigger the pop-up window. Next, we need to set the created page as the site's homepage. Let's refresh the site, and now we can see the homepage displayed. Great. Now, let's add our button to the page to call the pop-up window. Head over to Edit the Page in Elementor. Here, we'll add a container. I'm going to unlink the container's padding and make this container a div tag. This is more for SEO purposes, but I always do this automatically. Next, we'll add the button widget and center it. After that, we need to click Publish to save all the changes. Let's switch to the preview. Everything looks great. Now, go back to the WordPress dashboard and navigate to Templates, Pop-ups. We'll create a new template and give it any name. Go to the pop-up section settings. Here, we can customize the window's position. Let's set an animation for the window appearance and adjust its duration. In the general settings, we can change the name. In the Style tab, we'll set the window's border radius. We can also change the background color. Here, you can modify the pop-up close button. Now let's add a form inside the pop-up. Add a container and insert text widgets and a contact form. We'll also make sure the pop-up is responsive by adjusting it for tablets and mobile devices. Great. Now let's save the pop-up. We'll select that the pop-up should work site-wide, then click Save and Close. Head back to the dashboard, go to Save Templates, and find our published pop-up template. Now, let's go to the home page and assign the dynamic link to the button. Select Pop-up from the list and find our newly created template by its name. Then, click Publish and check the results. Everything works perfectly. Let's also test the pop-up on mobile devices. I usually test sites using a Chrome extension called Mobile First, and you can find the link to it in the description. Just go to the official website, click this button, and then this one to add it to Chrome. I've already installed it, so the button looks different for me now. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on useful videos about WordPress Elementor.